How to hide online status on WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp application on your device. Make sure to log in and sign into your account. Tap on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this drop-down menu box, select Settings. Once you get access to your settings page, you have to scroll down and select Privacy option. Under Privacy, you will see different options. Simply select Last Seen and Online. To hide your online status on WhatsApp, select Nobody so that no one can easily see your last seen. Also, at the second option, you will see option for who can see when I am online. Simply select same as last seen so that you can easily hide online status on WhatsApp.
I hope this video was helpful and informative for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button, subscribe our channel if you are new, and press the notification bell for more updates.